Hi friends, good morning. It's a lovely winter morning. In today's video, we are diving into something super exciting, textured art. We are going to explore some unique techniques to add depth and dimension to your artwork. Using these techniques will make your artwork pop up. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, there's something for everyone. So grab your favorite art supplies and get comfy and let's jump in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss an exciting new video. Let's get started. Here I'm taking one of my old paintings and you can use a fresh one. So I'm just starting by drawing the outline of the art that I'm going to do. I'm going to make a half flower petals. So just drawing the outline. In a bowl, I'm going to take some plaster of Paris, add some water, mix thoroughly so that no lumps are there inside. Make a cone and put the mixture inside, and on the outline, press and squeeze so that the mixture comes out. Now, using a palette knife, add texture to the petals. Fill the petals with the white plaster of Paris, the mixture that you had made. With a hard brush, add texture to your petals. This is a different technique that you can use using your cone. Just put dots in the center of the flower. Another technique would be just use a hard toothbrush and just simply dabbing on it will give this texture. Anything you feel it's around you, you can use any kind of texture that will just create a unique texture to your art, be it a sponge or some rough surface that you have. Please feel free whatever you want to use on your art. I've taken golden fabric color and I'm coloring on the white part after it has dried completely. And that's a wrap for today's textured art adventure. I hope you find some inspiration and new techniques to try in your artwork. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you would like to see next. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and bye bye. Have a wonderful day.